Okay guys, first coat of clear. She's looking good. Look at that reflection. Look at that. She's beautiful. Go over here. Same thing. Look at that reflection. So good. Alright, so first coat of clear's on. Looking good so far. Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. I have a favor to ask of you, and it's a big one for us. So about 78% of the people watching this video right now, or any of our videos, are not subscribed. If you guys could hit the subscribe button, that would really help us. It is free, it costs you nothing, there's no subscription kind of deal. You know, you don't have to pay a monthly fee, none of that, it's free. But it does help us quite a bit as far as growing the channel and moving these cars down the line and so on. So if you could do that for us, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we post new videos, which is all the time. And yeah, that's what I need from you if you can do it. I'd really appreciate it. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one, and stay tuned. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Friday. It is June 19th, 7:32 in the morning, and we are back on our 1944 two-door sedan deluxe. As you can see, yesterday we applied the sealer coat to the trunk lid and the two doors. Okay. Now with that sealer coat, what we learned with the body is that you need to let it dry and then sand it down with 600 grit sandpaper. That might not be the case for all y'all out there doing sealers, but for us with this particular sealer in this particular booth in this arena, this is what we need to do. So yesterday we shot them with this one heavy coat of sealer on everything. Now remember, the back side of the trunk lid is already painted, so it's all taped and papered and everything. So that's all ready to go. Now this morning Ron went ahead and sanded with 600. I just got here. Ron's been out here for a while, and what we're getting ready to do now is to go ahead and go around everything and just wipe everything down, clean everything up, clean up the booth, probably open the doors and blow it out, and just kind of get everything where it needs to be. And then we're going to start painting. It's going to be 3 coats of base black, 4 coats of clear, 3 to 4. I'm hoping for 4. We'll see what we've got as far as clear when we get to that point, because we do want to make sure we have enough to finish up the rest of the parts. So hopefully, God willing, by 12, 1 o'clock, these doors in this trunk lid are black and painted and cleared and ready to go back on the car, or ready to be wet sanded and buffed and then go back on the car. So by the end of the weekend, that would be amazing. So let's see where we get. Stay tuned, guys. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm going to be posting videos all day long. I will get some footage of Ron spraying in here for you guys. It's just so much easier to do now that we're not doing the body. With the body in here, I had horrible angles. Like, I could only stand like right here and the car came to here, I mean, I couldn't get what I wanted you to be able to see just because of the constraints and the size of the paint booth. But with this, we're golden. Tons of room. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see you guys in a minute. We'll be spraying here soon. Okay, guys, everything is sanded, wiped down with medium urethane reducer, and then tack ragged off. I blew the whole shop down with the air hose, opened the doors, blew it down, and then wiped everything off. I think we're ready. Just wanted to show you this. This is the last time you'll see these before they're black forever. Really happy with this. I think it's going to turn out great. Ron's already got the paint mixed up. He's going to come in here and get his pattern on the paper. We put this paper up here, you can see where he can get his pattern. Make sure everything works right without having to get it set up over here. But yeah, so far so good. We're looking at, it says 86 degrees, but that's right here in the corner in the heat. I'd say we're probably closer to 84 with 66% humidity. I do have the air conditioner running, that air conditioner running. I have an exhaust fan running down here, but not this one yet. This one will turn on here in a second, the big explosion proof, and that'll really pull a draft through here, and that'll cool it down a little bit too. So it'll be pulling all that air conditioning through. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna be on this here in a minute. I'm gonna try to get in here while Ron's putting down some base and get you some action shots of him doing that. And but ultimately I want to stay out of here as much as I can, just to keep any lint, dust, anything. The less people in here doing things, the better. And let him just do his thing. So stay tuned. Be back in a minute. There's a lot more coming, guys. Like and subscribe.
Sorry for the terrible angle. There goes the alarm. It's been 10 minutes. We're getting ready to put the second coat on. Trunk lid, working on that too. But the doors turn out pretty good, pretty slick. Pretty happy with that. So far so good.
the doors look great because they're standing straight up. This sitting down like this and being close to the exhaust fan is causing some goobers. Nothing terrible. We'll probably wipe off with a tack rack, but we need to let it dry a little longer before we attempt that. And if not, we can just, figure it out. But doors are looking really good so far. Trunk, it doesn't look bad. It just got some goobers in it. And I don't know if they're coming in the camera view, but the problem is if you look at this, there's the exhaust fans, here's this. Those are more north. They look great. They don't have anything in them. This thing's got some stuff in it. So we got to figure out how to set this up and how to get this shit off of here so that we can do a little better. So stay tuned, guys. Second coat of base coming up. Okay, guys, here we are. We've got the doors, 3 coats of base coat on them. They're looking pretty good. I don't see anything weird. I'm looking for things as we talk here. They're looking pretty good. Yeah, doors look good. This door looks good. This one looks good too. I don't see anything weird. So they've got 3 coats of the Shopline Plus base on them. Looking great. What's going to happen next is we've got about 5 minutes left, and Ron's cleaning the gun right now, and we're going to come in here and put 4 coats of clear up. So it's the last time you see them in like kind of a flat black base. There's no clear on these yet, but they're looking really good. They look really straight. Really happy with that. I can see my reflection and stuff, so I feel pretty good about that. Now this guy is a problem. We've dead stopped on the trunk lid because it got some stuff in it. And what we think is happening is that air conditioner is blowing things across, and it's coming through. The filters and the exhaust fans are pulling it through. So the doors have nothing. They are perfect. There's no dirt, no nothing. They look great. But they're hanging like this. This laying down like this right here is a problem. So what we're gonna do is let this dry, and then tonight we'll sand it down, and then we'll, it's only got 1 coat of base on it. So we'll sand it down, scuff it up, get all the hairs and fibers and shit out of here. And then tomorrow we'll paint the trunk lid, and we'll turn the air conditioner off, paint the trunk lid, and get it done while the doors, they won't be in here at that point, but yeah, so still getting it done. Just, when you have an issue, stop, fix it, stay in the fight, and keep going. Come up with a solution. Don't be dumb. Don't jump on it. Like, we could jump on this right now and it would be a shit show. Like, it would smear and do all kinds of weird things. We don't want to do that. So give it, 5-6 hours to dry, and we'll come back in here. You can probably do it sooner than that, but we'll come back in here and make this thing all pretty and flat again, and then go. There's no runs, no nothing like that. It's just, it's a couple things, I think. I think it's stuff out of the AC, and I think these filters here put off. I think it's probably the wrong filters. And you've got these little microfiber things that I think are in the air. And I think that might be part of what, because a lot of it looks like little hairs or pieces of filter. So gotta get that figured out. But otherwise, doors look great. Doors are about to get cleared. Really happy with that. So we're still on pace for Sunday, barring the clearing goes good. We'll wet sand and buff the doors on Sunday and install them. And so that'll be a big deal. So Sunday you guys will be able to see the doors on the car, hopefully, Sunday or Monday morning. And hopefully trunk, same thing. Trunk should get painted tomorrow morning, or when it's ready. It could be tonight. But we'll get it, we're actually gonna hang it like where the door is, like this. I think we're gonna find a way to do that. That way we don't have this problem. Laying flat is a problem in this bit. Whatever this would be, vertical, horizontal, whatever that is. is good. So that's what we're gonna go with. We're gonna be smart about it. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Lots more coming. I'll bring you some clear. I'll shoot a little bit of him clearing, and once he starts doing that, and then we'll do in between coats. There'll be 4 coats of clear going on, and then we'll get to it. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. First coat of clear. Just looking good. Look at that reflection. Look at that. She's beautiful. Go over here. Same thing. Look at that reflection. So good. All right, so first coat of clear's on. Looking good so far. Big Ron's gonna start shooting here in a second. I went ahead and moved the trunk lid out. Got it out of here. And now he's just gonna lay in the clear. We have turned off that air conditioner, and I did replace that filter. So that's the big difference right now. But yeah, so far so good. Stay tuned, guys. 3 more coats of clear to go. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Saturday. I believe it's the 20th of June. And we've got the doors out. They got painted yesterday. Look fantastic. The plan for them today is to just let them dry and cure, and then tomorrow, Sunday, we'll wet sand and buff and install on the car. So that's the plan for that, but they turned out really good. I mean, yeah, it's gonna look really, really good. So really happy with that. And here's the other one. I know it's a little darker, you might not be able to see it as well, but it turned out it's just as good. No issues there. We are going to be painting the trunk lid today. So the trunk lid, as you guys know, yesterday was sitting like this, and it got some dust in it. And so we just stopped on the first coat of base because it had a bunch of like fibers and hair kind of stuff in it. It was weird. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hang the trunk lid probably here or on the rack here. So we're gonna hang it here once we remove the doors. And we're gonna put the doors inside the house today.